I'm just looking back on the broad meadow just north of camp where I stayed last night. Super nice evening last night, really calm. That was the best sleep I've had on the whole trip, even though I've been sleeping really well. Last night was very quiet, dead quiet, and really quite warm. I got up to take a pee at 2 and the stars were booming. It was so clear. I don't know if I've ever seen the stars that nice before. So back on trail, I realized that last night, about a kilometer before camp, I did my first 100K, which is, yeah, awesome. So 5 days in, I did 100K. So 90 kilometers left. I'm gonna try and do it in 3 days. I've got, what do I got here? 32 I'm trying to do today. A bit slow right now going downhill with that pulled muscle in my leg that I pulled it probably about 6 weeks ago, and it came back with a fury end of my first day. So every day I've been maintaining it, but the downhills I'm really slow, but my uphills and my casual ups and downs and my flats, I'm my regular pretty quick speed. So starting out with the downhill first thing. I did a lot of stretching and a bit of yoga this morning, so I think I'm ready for today. 32K. I'm starting out early. It's 7:15. I got up at 5 in the dark. I'm gonna see how far I can go today, and yeah, off to the trail. I'm up on the saddle right now. Got a little bit of climbing and a little bit of downing already this morning. Been cruising along. It's been really nice hiking. Nice getting up early. I think that's my favorite, to get up and get on the trail at 7. Definitely. I mean, earlier would be nicer, but hey. Check it out. This is the view, the direction I'm heading. Pretty nice over there. So from this high point here, you can see the route that I've kind of taken the last couple of days. Just getting some sun there. Got the eyes closed. Just having a time. So far, just a lot of really nice, for the most part casual, forest walking today. I'm just about down that 400-meter descent that I have, and then I'll be starting a 400 up. I'm gonna take a break at the bottom. Legs are feeling pretty good. Even the downhills aren't slowing me down too bad today. I think I finally just about got these beat. Just rolling the heck out of my calves with my hiking poles as I go all day. I really beat them up last night with my cork massage ball, and it's made a world of difference for sure. So just gotta stay on top of that. But yeah, it's been a good day. Just trying to make up my miles though. So far that 32K mark is still in my reach, but we'll see how it goes. I have a lot of ups and downs to do today. Okay, wow. This ridge above Cataract Creek, between Lost Creek and Cataract Creek, is probably the best views on Section B, in my opinion. There's just so much to see. There is just a lot of horseflies, but wow, the open green landscape over there, the Great Divide right here is just big and very cool. So I stopped here at Cataract Creek Camp, have a quick lunch. I didn't even do ramen today. I just chowed a bunch of jerky and some bars. Just gotta keep moving. I dried out a bunch of my stuff, like my quilt and my shelter from last night. This morning things were a little damp this morning. Even all my sleepwear and everything's been pretty sweaty, so it was nice to just lay it out in the sun here and dry it all out nice and crispy. 3:30 right now. I have in total 450 meters of up, 450 meters of down, 2 climbs. I'm not sure how many kilometers I have left. I'm probably in the 10 region. I'm here at the Etherington Creek Ridge near the camp. Just having some dinner. I got done my 3rd climb and descent for today. So I think I'm at about 26 kilometers today already. It's 20 after 6. I'm just gonna finish eating dinner here. I just reheated it. I'm gonna fill up my water. Everything else is good to go. Charging my phone right now. One more climb, 200 meters up, 200 down. Thought I would mention, look at how good that meal looks from Peak Eats. Wow, this is a nice find. The last pass of the day, last climb of the day. It's been a long one, a pretty steep 200 meters down. I still have some sun left on this side. It's getting dark on the last side, but the direction I'm going on the trail northbound has been working out that way every day. It's been working out perfect, so still got some time to get set up. I think it took me 50 minutes to come up that 200 meters in 4K, I think. So I've got, 2K, 200 meters down to camp. I've already eaten dinner, just need to hang up my bag and set up a tent. This will probably be it for the day. I think I'm signing off. Pretty busy once I get to camp, so I'll fire it up